guys and welcome to my channel Maria Marie. So I recently saw this trend getting really viral on YouTube, that is sending a quiz to every guy I have had a crush on. I really didn't want to do this because I didn't want to get embarrassed in front of them. So I hopped on to an alternative trend, and the alternative trend is sending a quiz to all of my ex-best friends. I have had a lot of best friends and some of them are still on good terms with me. 2-3 ones were a little toxic. We had a lot of fights. I'm not going to also respond to all the responses. I'm going to pick the best hilarious ones and I'm going to respond to them with some tea and with some fun. The title was, if you receive this quiz, you are/were my best friend at some point of time. And I've written, hey there, how are you doing? I just made this quiz for fun and for my YouTube channel. I would be extremely glad if you fill this form up for me and give the viewers some tea and have some fun. If you don't want to reveal your name, it's okay. You can write it as anonymous and I would not mind at all. So the questions that I wrote were, what's your name? When and where did we meet? Did you consider me as your best friend? And the options are yes, nah, kinda, hell yeah, and other. Any memorable moment of us you remember? Any embarrassing moment of mine you still laugh at? I really wanted to include the question because we can have some fun too, right? Did you regret being my friend? Yes, no, of course not. We had a blast. Rate my personality. 1 is I don't care and 10 is amazing. Were you ever jealous of me? Yes, no, maybe, other. What terms are we on? We don't really talk. You really eat my head every single day. And the last question is, any last words you want to say to my YouTube channel, to you guys? And this is what the questions were all about. And yeah, so let us get into the responses. I'm really scared to open them, and some of them which were really not in touch with me, and I just messaged them, hey, what's up, how are you doing?
You remember me
We were like friends about
10 years ago.
And then that person is like, yeah, I do, like that. So that was really awkward for me to actually send them because we no longer speak. Okay, so number 1 is Kritika. She was my friend, I guess 10 years ago. I don't remember exactly. Okay, so what's your name? Kritika. When and where did we meet? I guess childhood, you know what I mean. Yeah, I know what you mean. Did you or do you consider me as your best friend? She wrote it in other. We can be great friends ahead, surely, if you will. We definitely need to catch up because I don't think we remember anything. Any memorable moment of us you remember? Okay, she mentioned the school name RBK. Any embarrassing moment of mine you still laugh at? I don't remember. Do you regret being my friend?
Yeah.
No, she did not even she did not write yeah. She wrote no. Were you ever jealous of me? T. I have no idea about it, but no, surely we reunited today. Yeah, matlab yesterday when I was like, hello, hi. So we had a kind of a reunion. So yeah. The next one also was my friend, I guess, back in the day. And his name is Aditya. What's your name, Aditya? When and where did we meet? Mumbai, I guess 2010, 10 years ago. Do you or did you consider me as your best friend? Yes. Any memorable moment of us you remember? Not at all. I was probably 4 years old, probably. Yeah, I guess. He was a year younger to me. I just remember that. So yeah, he was 4 years old. I was 5 years old. Any embarrassing moment of mine you still laugh at? No, but trust me, my friend, I must have a lot of embarrassing moments. Do you regret being my friend? Of course not. We had a blast. Rate my personality. 8. Okay, I can take that. 8 is a good score. Were you ever jealous of me? Why would he be jealous of me? No. What terms are we on? 2. Definitely, we don't really talk. I just messaged him today. And any last words you want to say to my YouTube channel? All the very best. Give it a blast. Oh, that's very sweet. That's really sweet. So, yeah. So, two responses that I had, I was really scared about them because I reunited with them after such a long time, and surely I'm going to catch up with them. The next one is one of my most remembered best friends because she was my best friend for a really long time. She did not actually write her name, so we are going to call her Cutie Pie because that's what she wrote as her name. So, what's your name? Cutie Pie. Hi, Cutie Pie. What's up? When and where did we meet? We met on the first day of senior KG in the classroom. Oh my god. Now there's one thing that I remember, or my parents told me, was on the first day I cried my eyes out. I was like, matlab, I just made my first impression like that, crying as loud as I could. And yeah. Okay, any memorable moment of us you remember? There is a long paragraph. Okay, she has put a lot of mehnat in this and we are going to read it. There are many, some of which I remember is me being in between you and another girl, which was another experience which I had, dash fights. I still remember when we cheated in second or third grade. Also, when we just used to pretend to fight more like a cat fight in class. Oh my god, we had so many fights. We had so many cat fights. And we used to, actually, I was the one who used to get jealous every time she was with another friend. Any embarrassing moment of mine you still laugh at? I guess when your stomach used to hurt all the time in school and went home all the time. Oh god. Yes, this is right. I was the crybaby of my school. It is embarrassing for you, but I laugh. Okay. Also, when we cried when one time in second or third grade, there was a teacher who saw us talking a lot and she decided to just separate us and we started crying.
Stop it. Get some help.
This incident is embarrassing for both of us, but yeah, I laugh at it when I think about it. Me too. Did you regret being my friend? Of course not. We had a blast. Thank you very much. Rate my personality 9. Thank you very much. Were you ever jealous of me? Maybe. Okay, I know why you were jealous of me. What terms are we on? 5. Yeah. Any last words you want to say to my YouTube channel? You're doing a great job and I will be glad if you become a famous YouTuber. And this is such a cute but filled with tea response. I really loved the response. Thank you so much for responding. Now we are going to go on to the next person. What's your name, Batul? Hey. When and where did we meet? We met when we were around 4 to 5 years old. Oh, we are friends for like 10 years now. Did you or do you consider me as your best friend? Hell yeah. Any memorable moment of us you remember? Ramadan's days as kids. Any embarrassing moment of mine you still laugh at? We were playing stretch your legs and your pants accidentally tore. Okay, that's embarrassing, okay? We used to play like these games a lot, like running games and stuff, and I guess we must have played this game and my parents definitely would have too. Do you regret being my friend? Of course not. We had a blast. Rate my personality 9. Thank you. Were you ever jealous of me? No. What terms are we on? 10. Yes. Any last words you want to say to my YouTube channel? You are doing a great job. I'm so very proud of you. Thank you. All of these responses are so good and definitely embarrassing. Now we are going to go on another response. This was during my 8th and 9th standard. We were extremely close friends, best friends forever. So her name is Hitika. We were really good friends. When and where did we meet? We met in school. Did you or do you consider me as your best friend? Yes. Any memorable moment of us you remember? Not in particular, but when we were together, we used to create memories. Oh my god.
Explosion.
That's a very intellectual response. Any embarrassing moment of mine you still laugh at? My hair story. Like I mentioned, my hair story back in Jan, my hair cutting experience, it was a mess. Do you regret being my friend? Of course not. We had a blast. Rate my personality. 8. I can take that. Were you jealous of me? No. What terms are we on? 5. Yes, we don't really talk. Any last words you want to say to my YouTube channel? Nice content. Keep it up. So there's one friend who was also in my school. What's your name, Tanishi? When and where did we meet? School bus. We were like bus buddies. Do you or did you consider me as your best friend? Any memorable moment of us you remember? Discussion of answers after exam. Yeah, so I was like the teacher. And we used to always discuss all the answers and regret them कि oh my god क्यों पूछा मैंने इससे. Any embarrassing moment of mine you still laugh at? Nothing as particular. Okay, I get that. Did you regret being my friend? Of course not. We had a blast. Rate my personality 10. Oh my, thank you very much for rating it a 10. Were you ever jealous of me? Yes, she was jealous of me. There was a big story behind that. But it's so funny to laugh at now. What terms are we on? We are 8. Yeah, I agree. Any last words you want to say to my YouTube channel? I just love your YouTube channel, Maria. My puglet too. Okay, so this is like a nickname that we had given to each other. Thank you very much. Now we are going to move on to the next person. What's your name? PS Star owner. When and where did we meet? School. Did you or do you consider me as your best friend? Yes. Any memorable moment of us you remember? Annuals. Yeah, annual days were amazing. Any embarrassing moment of mine you still laugh at? Yes, sauce and milkshake. They used to tease me a lot, and another thing which they did was whenever we went to like McDonald's, like during someone's birthday or something, I used to order this chocolate milkshake, okay, and they used to put sauce in it. It was embarrassing for me. They just had fun. So, do you regret being my friend? No. Rate my personality? Thanks. It's a 9. Were you ever jealous of me? D. Maybe. What were you jealous of? Tell me afterwards, okay? Any last words you want to say to my YouTube channel? Subscribe! Yes, subscribe. So the next one is another friend of mine who I prank called in my recent video. What's your name? Gargi. When and where did we meet? We met 2 years back in our society. Do you or did you consider me as your best friend? Yes, thank you very much. Any memorable moment of us you remember? When we became detectives, I hope you remember it. I can't tell much about it. I can't even tell much about it because it was, oh my god, it was really memorable. We were like spying on someone. I really don't want to tell her name, but yeah, we were doing that. Any embarrassing moment of mine you still laugh at? No, because I haven't shown you my embarrassing side. You regret being my friend? Of course not. We had a blast. Yes, we did. Rate my personality 10. Were you ever jealous of me? No. Any last words you want to say to my YouTube channel? I just love your channel and continue entertaining us. Do call me to sing. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Go away and slam the door. Yes, I will. So I guess we are done. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. It was really fun for me to film. I guess it was not as bad as I thought. You got to know a lot of embarrassing moments of mine. And most of the people have rated my personality between 8, 9 and 10. Thank you so much for not rating it a 7. I really appreciate that. I also have to catch up with a lot of new friends that I made. All of my previous friends 10 years ago maybe. I hope it was entertaining. And you got to know another fun side of me. I will love to bring out like content like this in the future again. And I'll meet you very soon. So, bye-bye.